Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share my warm-up routine. It involves my 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the fretting hand, and my thumb, index, middle, and ring finger of the plucking hand. I only use the inside strings for now. So that's the 5th, 4th, 3rd, and the 2nd string. Now the position for the fretting hand is first finger is on the 1st fret, 5th string, up here. And then the 2nd finger is on the 2nd fret, 4th string. Your 3rd finger is on the 3rd fret, 3rd string, and your pinky is on the 2nd string, 4th fret. So they have their own frets, like this, okay? They have their own frets and they have their own strings. For the plucking hand, my thumb is assigned to the 5th string always. My index finger is on the 4th string. My middle finger is on the 3rd, and my ring finger is on the 2nd string. So we pluck each string from the 5th string going up to the 2nd string one at a time, like this. So every time you pluck a string, before you pluck the next one, you release the previous string that you plucked. So if this is the first one right here, release, 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 next. So that's the motion, okay? But you'll see my fingers somewhat in the same position, but I'm releasing it, okay? And then after one cycle of that, you move up 1 fret, then move up 1 fret again. Okay, until you reach the 12th fret with your pinky. Right there. Okay, so let's try that. Slowly. Releasing each note after playing it, before playing the next note. Like that. Okay, again, one more time. Slowly. Okay, so practice that as slow as you can and then gradually increase the speed of the warm-up. Okay, so even though you make mistakes, that's okay. We're just warming up, alright? So feel comfortable making mistakes, that's okay, until you feel really warmed up, and then try to play it as clear as you can with less mistakes. There you go. That's the first part of the warm-up and my routine. And the second one is in reverse. Now the positioning of the fingers, the fretting hand, is in reverse now. My first finger is down to the 2nd string, 1st fret. 2nd finger is on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. 3rd finger is on the 4th string, 3rd fret. And my pinky is on the 5th string, 4th fret. Okay? So it's like this. Now the plucking is also in reverse. I start with the 2nd string, that's my ring finger, and then middle finger, and then index finger, and then thumb. So it's in reverse, okay? Now here, we'll do it slowly again from the beginning, releasing each note after playing it, and before playing the next note. Until your pinky reaches the 12th fret again. Right? So here again. Okay, it's important to move your wrists as you go up. Don't let your thumb be left behind. Okay, it should follow along. There you go. Okay, recap. First exercise, warm-up, is first finger on the top string, the 5th string, sorry, and then it goes down to each string below and also goes up to each fret. So each finger has its own fret. 1, 2, 3, 4 fret, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 strings. So we pluck it from the 5th string going up to the 2nd string. Going up and also going up the fret each time you play. One cycle, okay? So Okay, warm up with that. Next, the second warm up is reverse position. This one here. First finger, second, third, fourth. Going up the strings and also going up the fret. Now, plucking hand is still the same, but we start from the second string, going up to the fifth string. So, then going up the fret also. Until we reach that 12th fret, pinky, okay? So, the next part is combining those two exercises without stopping. Okay, so going up, first exercise, and then going down. Second exercise, okay? Again. There you go. Once you master that, we're going to we do the same exercises, but this time we'll try going up and then going down. So here, until you reach the 12th fret, then reverse position, this time, going down. And then reverse position again, going up. Reverse, going down. There you go. Okay, hope this warm-up routine helps you. Just warming up your fingers and really helping those fingers to feel the fretboards and the strings, okay? The fretting and the plucking hand. Good luck. I'll see you in the next lesson.